Huh. What is your number for your phone call?
How about you shut your darn mouth? Or else I will plan my world domination.
Come on, there's no need for that.
Oh. But you can't have a whiskey. You're too young for it. Because we are having the best food for lunch.
What is for lunch? It better be McDonald's?
Broccoli. That's for sure. We're not having that stinking McDonald's. Okay, son.
What? What on earth, but why broccoli? That food is rubbish. Potatoes are the vegetables I like. Including carrots, cucumber, green beans. But why broccoli?
Oh, sorry. I meant Domino's and Apache. We should have them both.
Oh yes. Finally. Some real food. More better than broccoli. I'm down for that, when the order arrived.
Achoo.
What? Why did you sneeze on my pizza? You dumped me on the weekend, but all for this. First you said broccoli is for dinner. Second you said sorry and phoned Domino's and Apache. Then finally you sneezed on my pizza.
Well, that means no pizza for you. As of now we are having broccoli. This may result from a bad dream you've just had last night.
But I didn't had a bad dream. You're just making things worse. So for your prospective punishment, I have to call you silly names.
Please don't.
You smell like a bear. And you eat garbage. Plus you eat poop. I would love to see you eat poop. And even worse, you eat worms and other bugs but no eating bees.
Wah. Wah. Why did you call me such silly name? But I have to send you to jail.
Achoo. Well, you are going to jail.